wanashindwa wafanye nini, I stand in that gap. Nasimama katika hizo nafasi katika jina la Yesu. And I say this before you, God, for I know you, for I know how you work, for I know how powerful is you, God. Provide for these people in the name of Jesus. Provide for these people in the name of Jesus. Provide for these people. Kila mtu mahali alipo na kile chochote ambacho anachokihitaji. My God, you are a provider. For I know you, my God. For I know you, my maker. For I know you in the name of Jesus. I know how you reign. I know how your kingdom work in the name of Jesus. In the gap of these people, you know their needs, my God, in the name of Jesus. Nasimama katika nafasi ya kila mmoja ambaye anayenitazama katika jina la Yesu Kristo. Make a way, God. Make a way where there is no way, God. Make a way, make a way, make a way. For I know you, my God. For I know you, my God. In the name of Jesus. Wengine wanahitaji they need your cover, they need your protection in the name of Jesus, but be in their lives, be in their ways in the name of Jesus, in the name of Jesus. Nguvu zako sidhihirishe katika hawa watu in the name of Jesus. Uwezo wako, uwepo wako katika jina la Yesu Kristo, na uachilia juu ya watu wako, na achilia juu ya hawa watu in the name of Jesus, in the name of Jesus. Others ni watu ambao wako na ministry ndani yao, wengine wameshindwa wataipeleka wapi, imekuwa mzigo kwao, imekuwa ni mzigo kwao, they don't know what to do. But for I know God, in the name of Jesus, I stand in that gap. In the name of Jesus, God fulfill their desires upon and towards their ministries. In the name of Jesus. 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 In the name of Jesus.